How to fix AliExpress login problem in AliExpress. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can help overcome frustrating login errors on AliExpress, covering both official fixes and clever workarounds sourced from real user feedback. So let's get started. First of all, open AliExpress and make sure that you're logging in with the correct account. For example, if your account is linked with Google, Apple, or any other social website that you used to log into your AliExpress account, make sure that credentials are correct. If those are correct, then you'll face no difficulty. So simply just make sure those credentials are correct and you have logged into that Google or Apple account. So simply tap on login with Google or tap on login with Apple or any other social media website that you have used, and you'll be able to log into AliExpress. So one is a very major problem that some people enable the caps lock and then they type in the password, but the password with caps lock and without caps lock is totally different. So make sure that if your password has all of the letters small, so turn off the caps lock and try again. The other way is clearing cache. So you can simply clear the cache of your application and simply log in again. You can head over to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and simply search for AliExpress over here. And then you can simply offload application, which will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. So simply reinstall the application and try signing into AliExpress with your account credentials and you'll be good to go. So that is basically how you can fix AliExpress login problems in AliExpress. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.